Here's what moved markets today. Reports of potential ceasefire progress in the Middle East contributed to equity market gains in after-hours trading, with oil prices declining from recent highs. The combination of reduced geopolitical risk premium and moderating energy costs eased near-term inflation concerns. Bitcoin maintained recent price levels, with the session also seeing mining company Bitmine disclose additional Ethereum purchases. The corporate treasury continues its pattern of digital asset accumulation through spot market transactions. Stablecoin issuer Tether announced engagement of a Big Four accounting firm for reserve attestations, representing a significant development in third-party verification for the sector. The enhanced transparency framework addresses long-standing questions around stablecoin backing and audit practices. Coinbase shares declined, following reports of proposed federal restrictions on stablecoin yield-bearing products. The regulatory consideration reflects ongoing policy discussions around interest-generating digital dollar instruments and their classification within existing financial frameworks. The CFTC announced formation of an innovation-focused task force addressing oversight frameworks for cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, and derivatives markets. The initiative aims to adapt regulatory approaches to evolving financial technologies and market structures. Stablecoin pairs dominated spot trading activity, representing 83% of USD-denominated crypto trading volume. The metric reflects the central role of dollar-pegged tokens in crypto market infrastructure, serving as primary liquidity and settlement instruments across exchanges. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:00 Central European Time, gains are led by MON, up 13.69%, Stellar adding 8.54%, and Hyperliquid gaining 6.04%. Strength distributed across newer protocols, established payment networks, and decentralized derivatives platforms. On the downside, losses are moderate. CC down 4.54%, Polkadot off 2.56%, and near declining 1.96%. Selling pressure contained below 5%, with losses significantly smaller than the upside being posted by leaders. The pattern shows continued improvement in market structure, with meaningful gains outpacing losses for the second consecutive session. Conditions reflect strengthening risk appetite after the recent period of defensive positioning, though participation remains selective rather than broad-based across all protocols. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index holds steady at 36, essentially unchanged from yesterday's 35 reading. Sentiment has stabilized in the mid-30s after the sharp rebound from last week's low of 26, with today's continued positive risk-reward structure supporting the stabilization. The index remains in fear territory, but has found support above 30 following the recovery from recent lows. Market psychology appears to be consolidating at current levels, rather than continuing the volatile swings between 20 and 44 that characterized recent weeks. While still defensive overall, the stabilization at 36 represents sustained improvement from the deterioration that pushed sentiment back toward extreme fear levels. Conditions suggest market participants have established a more stable psychological baseline, though fear remains the dominant emotion and movement toward neutral territory has yet to resume. That's your Bitcoin Suisse daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.